Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW with 6-cylinder gasoline engine, I'm talking about all these engines guys, N51, N52, N53, N54 or N55, and you're trying to find where your oil pressure switch is located. It's also known as oil pressure sensor. Stay with us and we'll explain how to replace it as well. Now, before we start guys, all the tools and parts including the new pressure switch, tools that you need, all that will be listed in the description of the video below, and you can check out guys the link there. We share it for your convenience. Okay, and I'll try to organize things in folders with all the parts that you may need for that engine guys and that we have used here in the shop. Another thing, every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why? We do all that guys because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information guys. Let us show you what we have here. Specifically we have N52 engine. This is on a 2006 BMW 325, but even if you have a different engine guys, the only procedure between all the different engines will be, the only difference will be you may have an oil cooler here, and on some the oil cooler is it's actually attached to the radiator. On this one, okay, the oil cooler is to the radiator, but if you have an oil cooler here, practically procedure will be about the same. Step number one, you will need to remove your upper engine cover. How you do that guys? Okay, grab it and pull it out. You have 4 bushings where it attaches to the upper cylinder head. Be careful now here not to break your coolant hose if you have one. Okay, because this hose is actually super simple to break guys, so be careful. We'll try to share the link in the description of the video below if you break yours. Now those are the 4 rubber bushings, 1, 2, 3, 4 that we need to guys release when you pull, and they attach to 4 posts right here. Now this is guys your oil pressure switch. Okay, let me explain to you. This is the oil pressure switch here. Do not confuse it with this sensor. This is the coolant temp sensor guys. This is the oil pressure switch. How you disconnect it? You press that metal thing, pull it out. Now you will need a 24mm socket. There is a special socket, okay, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below. We do have it, but I couldn't find it this morning, so we'll be using just a wrench, 24mm adjustable wrench, okay, and get it loose. Okay, perfect. And now you can grab it guys, unscrew it all the way. We will have the link for the new sensor in the description of the video below. Please check it out. And just remove it guys. Okay, you can see like that, not too complicated at all. And this is guys the sensor right here. Now if you guys have any questions, any recommendations, anything like that, let us know guys, and when we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Again, all the tools and parts, we'll put the part numbers and links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.